yata sa iyong teleserye, hindi ba? Pwede naman. Depende sa'yo.
Ayan, basta marami po kayo
Marami pong
maabangan.
Hello, Noreen.
Pakita ka naman kaya para personal ako makapagpasalamat sa'yo.
Noreen, patience is a virtue.
Noreen? Is there a problem?
Sir, good morning.
They're with me. Let them pass.
Okay, Sir Alex.
Thank you.
Siyempre, naging single ako since September, so I've been really working on myself. All for self-improvement. Every day, I try my best. So generally, happy and mas nakita ko yung mga, mas appreciate ko lahat ng bagay.
I am happy. Maybe it's because I appreciate the people around me more now.
Tinanong kita tungkol sa the possibility, oo, hindi, depende. Kung maging girlfriend mo si Barbie, why did you say depende?
I mean, who knows, di ba? Whatever happens, happens. If it happens, it happens, di ba? Yes, it's a bit pressuring, pero di ko naman siya iniisip as negative. Siguro for me, if it happens, it happens. I'm just going with the flow. Yeah.
Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig, mahihain ka.
Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig, ano ibig sabihin nun, Tito Boy?
Ligawan, when you like someone.
Medyo, Tito
Medyo.
Boy, sa simula. Parang yung mga hirit ko medyo pa-cute, gano'n. Parang bata, pang 16, gano'n. Mas mature na in terms of emotions. So, mas grabe yung hug talagang. Gano'n, pre? Paano, pare? Gano'n,
Paano?
Kasi yung hug talaga, Tito Boy, gano'n.
Dati may hiyaan, may ilangan.
Hug namin, ganito lang.
Paano?
Ganyan lang.
Ngayon,
Ngayon talagang...
Same lang.
There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I'll align higher. I'm the one beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. Never lie. I stay in my hide. Let the world follow behind. I know it's all how I make my mind. I'm the one who gets to decide. No, I'll never lie. Oh, I stay in my hide.
Crush ka ba?
Sana.
Hindi mo sure. Saan? Tayo na lang kayo.
Sige.
Even if it don't happen fast. Ooh, there's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel.
Tama nga ang sabi nila na good things happen when you least expect it. And for me, that's David. I'm very... Oh. Gulat ka, di ba?
You are very patient and understanding, so really thank you. And yeah, hopefully magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming trabaho together. And hopefully, we get the movie and the teleserye this year. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. I just really care about her a lot.
Ay, wow naman. I care about him also, syempre. I care about him a lot. Yan.
Ito ang mga qualities na gusto ko. Isa-isahin natin. Go!
Siyempre, physically, maganda. Siguro chinita na, hindi masyadong chinita.
Ayo! Pinahirapan mo naman sila.
Yung mukhang
Chinitang hindi chinita.
Very specific eh. Medyo hilaw.
May pagkamistisang chinita, gano'n.
Ganun type ko. Maputi.
Maputi. Mahilig siya sa maputi. Chinitang hindi may pagka-chinitang mistisa.
Yeah.
Kayo na bahala mag-isip kung ano yun.
Can you tell Barbie anything?
Medyo, pero hindi naman lahat. Tito
naman,
Boy.
oo.
Of course, may limitations. Talk about everything.
And nothing.
Yeah, and nothing. Just,
Ano ba ang steadfast na love team mo ngayon?
yeah.
Si Barbie. Pero iba yung ngiti mo, ha? Talagang atawa ka na lang, ha?
Masabi ako dito eh. Or if given the chance, Maria Clara 2.0. Kami yung last eh, na parang pwede pa siyang mag-transpose into something, into another world, diba? So hopefully, magawa namin yun. It's really a big dream of mine. It's really a big dream of mine.
So, saan ka naka-relate doon na part? Ba't mo nasabi na commitment?
Tagal na kasi to.
Okay. So, at that
Tagal na kasi to sinulat.
kailan to?
Squid. I also hope na nagustuhan ni Barbie. Sabi naman niya, catchy daw yung song. And then, ayun, sana siya yung sa music video. Let's see if she is not busy at that time.
Oh! Ay, oh! Sorry naman dyan.
I Think I Love You was probably the soundtrack of my love life. Taylor Swift song. Siguro Daylight or sure.
Thank you. Oo.
Nakapag-run na kayo ni David?
Hindi pa.
Di ba?
Actually.
Paglabas, takbo tayo.
Oh, tara. Busy yung friend mo eh.
Ikaw din daw eh.
Ha?
Ikaw din daw eh.
Buy clothes for herself but also to our family members. Here's another prime example of how giving she is as her mom.
Oo, naniniwala ako sa destiny. Not just in love, but in life as well. Parang kung ano talaga yung nakatadhana para sa'yo, yun yung mangyayari. Sa love, naniniwala ka ba sa destiny? Ganun.
Yeah, I think so. Oo. Kasi syempre yung personality na yun eh. Di ba?
Meeting the right person at the right place and time.
Right, yeah, especially in time.
May mga bagay na napaplano ng mga managers, may napaplano ng ating mga creative, pero may mga bagay talaga na ibinibigay sa atin ng Diyos. Katulad na lamang ng pagtangkilik sa inyong dalawa dito sa Maria Clara, which I think a lot of people didn't expect.
Yeah.
Opo,
Diba?
Kahit kami, hindi na namin expect.
Oo, and that's the beauty about it.
Yeah.
Because yun po ang tinatawag na mahika, that's magic. We can only plan up to a certain point.